The mid-sized SUV is shown in images from the MIIT website with an entirely new appearance and motorized pop-out door handles.
Hello everyone, come back to this channel. Before continuing to watch this video, please subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you.
The Explorer, Equator/Equator Sport, and Evos, three recent Ford cars introduced in China, are all referenced in the completely reworked front face. The Edge has a contemporary look thanks to its slim headlamps that nearly have a Hyundai Tucson-like merge with the grille. Since the taillights are completely new and the handle to open the tailgate no longer sticks out like a sore thumb, significant alterations have also been made to the back. Even on the lower trim level, things seem nicer thanks to the larger-than-before Edge writing and the metallic inlays in the plastic black cladding of the bumper. While there are currently no inside photos available, certain technical details are accessible on the MIIT website. The exact length of the 2023 Ford Edge in China is 5 meters, 196.8 inches, making it much longer than the current US spec variant, 4,779 millimeters or 188.1 in. It is even longer than China's 3-row Edge Plus, which debuted in 2019 with the aforementioned redesign and measures 4,878 millimeters, 192 in length. A 2.0-liter gasoline turbocharged engine with 248 horsepower powers both SUVs, 185 kilowatts. It's interesting to note that the more costly Edge shown above only has a 7-seat configuration, but the less priced Edge is marketed as having both 5- and 7-seat options. Ford hasn't specified a release date for the C-Spec Edge, but common sense suggests that it would occur during the 2022 Guangzhou Auto Show in mid-November. The main question is whether or if the Dearborn manufacturer would offer a different model in North America in addition to this SUV. Ford may completely discontinue the Edge in the US, according to a concerning report from June 2020, although it was never proven.